everyone. Today we are going to take a closer look at the excavator, powered by a bull. From an outdated appearance but has a strong heart, this is the Komatsu Excavator. Sturdy scraper, able to dredge barren land. Like a thick iron fist, making Komatsu the choice of construction workers. This is the rudder, with 2 gears for up and down and back and forth. For tires made specifically like a tank, capable of running in all-terrain tracks. Even though it is full of soil, these wheels still run with good performance. This is the back of this excavator. This is the Komatsu Excavator when viewed up close.